Clothes are the hardest thing to get rid of because we convince ourselves that I'm gonna wear it later, I'm gonna wear it when I'm skinny again. I gotta say, I have been up and down in my weight more times than I even remember. And every single time I have been skinny to my own standards, I still didn't wear it. And now I have a mom bod and my hips are like never going back to my original size. So all these clothes that I held on to waiting for me to get skinny again, it's never gonna happen. There are definitely times when we're gonna lose weight and gain weight, but myself, I have to think about, what are these styles like? What will styles be like later? You never know. Will I actually wear them? Or am I gonna want to buy whatever's trending at that time? So take a look at your boxes that you have waiting for you to get skinny again. Figure out, are they really worth storing? Are they going to be in style then? Are they worth waiting for? That's the big question. Are they worth waiting for? I need to show you something actually. This is my homecoming dress from junior year. I'm 25, almost 26, and I still have this. I have been holding on to it thinking, I will wear this one day when I'm skinny again. I've been skinny again and I never wore it. Even though I got skinny again, my hips never fit it. They never fit it because most people don't ever have their high school bodies again. And this is something that I'm going to accept and I'm going to get rid of it. It's going in my next box, guys.